Still trying to create a woodland nursery that feels cozy, calm, and beautifully pulled together? Welcome to the Fern Room by Acorn House, a soft woodland nursery collection designed to help you create a peaceful space filled with storybook charm, gentle colors, and sweet forest friends. Instead of searching for random pieces that may or may not match, the Fern Room gives you a coordinated nursery look with wall art, personalized prints, birth date keepsakes, and matching station signs. Start with the Tree Friends 4-panel wall art set featuring woodland companions that bring warmth and personality to your baby's room. Display it above a crib, dresser, or reading nook to create an instant focal point. For a more personal touch, the Name for All Seasons set turns your child's name into a sweet woodland design that feels timeless and special. You can also celebrate baby's arrival with the Tree Friends name and birth date prints, perfect for showcasing your baby's name, birth date, and meaningful details in a soft, coordinated way. The Fern Room also includes charming station signs to help your nursery feel organized and intentional. Create a gentle grooming station, a peaceful napping nest, a magical storybook grove, a playful play patch, and a tidy snack stash. For clothing, blankets, tiny keepsakes, and everyday essentials, twigs and threads and bits and baubles add the perfect finishing touch. With the Fern Room, your woodland nursery can feel calm, cozy, organized, and beautifully complete. Visit us at acornhouse.store to explore the full Acorn House collection.